Qashqai at Nissan Sunderland since 2006. We expected to build around 100,000 a year.
It's sold like hotcakes. By 2008, we'd made over double. By 2011, we were the fastest UK plant to make 1 million units.
Fast forward nearly 20 years and more than 4 million have rolled off the line at our plant. That means we have built Qashqai at our plant almost every 2 minutes round the clock for the last 18 years. We have shipped them to more than 100 countries globally.
And we've sold 750,000 Qashqais in the UK alone. We've spread them all out, and now, on average, you're never more than 500 metres away from a Nissan Qashqai in the UK.
Over the years, Nissan has invested over £1 billion into building Qashqai in the UK. The latest version alone required a £30 million investment.
In 2006, we built Qashqai. It's here in line 1 in our plant.
In 2016, it was so popular, we started building it on line 2 as well.
You could say that all 6,000 of our team here in Sunderland play a role. Then there's our team of 1,000 at our UK Design and Technical Centre.
And it's not just us. For all the cars we build, we receive close to 1 million different parts into the plant every single day.
So, just like me, there are 30,000 people in the UK supply chain who are proud to supply parts to Nissan Sunderland.
Our wind and solar farm means that 20% of the energy we use to manufacture our cars comes from renewable sources, and we're looking to increase that in the coming years.
The Qashqai of today is powered by Nissan's unique e-power technology. We've assembled more than 100,000 batteries since it first went into production.
The original Qashqai broke the mould. Today's version is very different, but is as bold and distinctive as the Qashqai needs to be.
And of course, you can personalize your new Qashqai with over 60,000 variations possible.
We built them all in exactly the right sequence.
It's more connected than ever.
We use cutting-edge tech, more perceptive and precise than the human eye, to make sure every one is perfect.
We carry out 975 quality checks on each Qashqai before we let it leave our plant.
It takes 14 hours to build a Qashqai, and the finished car looks fantastic.
Along with our 4 million customers, thousands of our team drive a Qashqai.
It's a car we love.
And we can't wait to ship our latest version to our customers around the world.